I call the honourable member for Indi.
Thank you, Madam Deputy Speaker. I want to talk about manufacturing, which is alive and well in Indi.
At Brock Mills.
And particularly today, I'd like to talk about Mars Petcare Australia and acknowledge their fantastic investment in Albury Wodonga. MPA has 3 pet food factories in Australia: Wodonga, Bathurst and Warcool in Queensland. And the Wodonga site is also the Australian business headquarters as Asian Pacific Regional Hub, Centre for R&D, Commercial and Engineering and a Global Service Centre. It's the largest pet care supply centre in the Asia Pacific. Wow. As the largest supplier of Australian pet food market, Mars Pet Food also generates over $100 million PA in export sales. It employs over 500 people in manufacturing and corporate functions. It's an estimated supplier ecosystem of additional 500 jobs and over 130 million PA in expenditure with its suppliers. It's currently on an expansion path, and I'm really grateful and pleased that Mars has made Albury Wodonga its centre. There are 3 other areas that I'd briefly like to touch on that Mars is responsible for. One is freight, infrastructure services, and using quality raw materials, services and building excellent supply relationships. Mars Petcare relies on both road and rail freight to manage time-critical delivery of products to customers right throughout Australia. It needs world-class regional road and rail infrastructure. But it also relies on services such as energy, gas and electricity for managing the manufacturing.
Thank you, member for Indi.